Hi everyone, my name is Srinivasan and I will be your instructor for this Java tutorial. I have over 12 plus years of experience in mainframe development along with a solid background in Java programming. As many mainframe applications are being converted into distributed application, it is essential for those of us in the mainframe field to learn Java for our career growth and a better package. So first of all, I want to express my gratitude to the mainframe team, IBMMainframer team, for allowing me to share my knowledge with the entire mainframe community. So if you are a new programmer or if you are already experienced in mainframe, so wondering how to learn Java, so this is the place where you can. So I will teach you everything from the from the scratch. So also, if needed, I will also compare the concepts, Java concepts with COBOL for your better understanding, so that you will able to understand easily. So with that said, so let's begin our journey into Java. So now what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented platform-independent programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. So initially, it was developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995. The initial version of Java was released in 1995. Now it is owned by Oracle Systems. It's a different company. So the Sun Microsystem invented the Java programming. Now it has sold to Oracle System. So currently, the Oracle companies own the Java. So it is widely used for applications, mobile applications, especially in Android mobiles, desktop applications. There are many applications that's been created in Java and enterprise systems as well. So Java is basically famous for write once, run anywhere capability, which means writing in Java can run on any devices that supports a Java virtual machine. So next is why do we need to learn Java? As I said, like it is used in many Android apps, desktop apps, and web apps, as well as enterprise backend system and cloud-based softwares as well. So it is high demand. There are if you go to any job portal, you can see lots of opportunity in Java programmer. It is because there are many applications has been creating using the Java application. So there are many frameworks available in Java. Like the famous one is Spring Hibernate, which makes it more powerful for creating enterprise-wide applications. Like Java is completely object-oriented programming for clean and reusable code. Also, as I said, like it can run on different platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, using the Java virtual machine. So there are many top companies using Java, so like Amazon, Netflix, LinkedIn uses Java as well. So I just listed few companies here, but still there are many companies are using Java. So also as a mainframe programmer, it is good to have a tech knowledge in Java for your career growth. Now, key features of Java. So what are I listed only few key features of Java. There are many key features for Java to make it unique with other programmings. The first one is platform independence. So as I said, like it write once, run anywhere concepts. Java programs are compiled into bytecode. Basically, once you write Java program, right, that will be compiled in. Once you compile that program, it will be converted into bytecodes. So that bytecode can be run on any system which uses Java virtual machine. So Java is a purely object-oriented program, so that uses concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. You may be wondering what are these things are. Like as I said, right, like in mainframe we call it a structure-oriented program, right? When you write something in COBOL, right, there is a predefined way, like there are division, right? That has to be uh, typed, right? Well, like identification division, then environmental division, then data division, then at the end operator division. So there's a structure, right, defined to write a program. Similarly, it's a concept. Object-oriented program is it's a type of writing a code, right? So that's a difference between just to explain you what this mean by object oriented. Once you started learning, or once we started typing the code, right? So I will explain you each and every concepts like what is classes, what is objects. So now just understand it's a type of concept to write a code in Java. It is simple and familiar, which means the syntax is similar to C, C++. Maybe many of us learned C and C++, right? In schools and colleges, right? The syntax is almost same as C, C++. So it's simple and familiar to learn. Also, robust and secure Java programming, multi-threading. So it's one of the great features in Java, like allows concurrent execution of multiple tasks in Java that can be achieved in Java. So next is Hello World program. So Hello World, many of you already aware what is Hello World program, but if you are completely new to programming, so you do not know what is Hello World program. Basically, when you execute a program, it has to display word Hello World. So whenever we start learning new program, that's a universal thing. Whenever we start a new program, so we start with the Hello World program. Basically, it's a simple program, right? So I just in the introduction section, I just want to show you how the Java code looks. So this is a simple Java level program. You see there are three lines of basically three lines of code which display hello world program. I I don't I'm not going to explain you each and every word in this program like public what is public class. Once we go into the program, right, I will start typing and explain you each and every word what it means, why we need to type these things. So as of now, just for your understanding, I'm just display added here. This is a simple LOL program in Java. So once you execute this program, right, so it will display hello world. So this is hello world. It will be displayed on the output screen. So hope you clear. So thank you so much for this introduction, for watching this introduction Java introduction session provided by IBMMainframer Team. So if you have any questions or clarification, please ask in comment section. So someone from the IBM Mainframer team will respond to your query. Thank you so much.